ASTC rule. Okay? ASTC. What is this? It is not Assam State Transport Corporation. It is all sine, tan,
Cos.
and
Cosec.
cos. Okay? All sine, tan, cos. ASTC. Okay?
All
Clear?
state transport.
Now see, what is all? We have 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simply, in the first quadrant, A, all ratios are in this section are positive, like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot, sec, cosec. All are positive. In this first quadrant, these quadrants lie from 0 degree to 90 degree. In this region it lies. 0 degree pora 90 degree loke jiman trigonometric ratios thake, all are positive. Okay? Next, from 90 to 180. 90 starts from here and 180 here. Okay? So ultimately, in this section 2, sine and opposite of sine is what? Opposite of sine is cosec, positive. Sine and cosec is positive in the second quadrant. Okay? Tan. Now T, third quadrant. Tan, value of tan and opposite of tan means cot, positive. And all are negative here. Except these two or except these two. All ratios are negative in these quadrants. Okay? Number 4. Number 4 is what? C. C for cos. Fourth quadrant. Cos and opposite of cos is what? Reciprocal of cos is sec. Positive. And others are negative. Simply we will do a numerical. Suppose sine 275. Let us take sine 275. I will do. Okay? See. So sine 275 can be written as 275 plus 0. Okay? 275 means what? You can write also 3 into 90. Sorry. 270 plus 5 will be here. 270 plus 5. It will be equal to 275. Okay? We can write 270 as 3 into 90 degree. 90 what? Why? Because one quadrant take 90 degree, second 90, third 90, fourth 90. Okay? So 3 into 90 means 270 plus 5.
275.
Here two rules exist. Number 1, if this is what? 3. 3 means if ratio is odd multiple of 90 degree, then three rules exist. Sine is replaced by cos, or cos is replaced by sine from both sides. Tan is replaced by what? Cot. And cot is replaced by
Tan.
sec is replaced by cosec, and cosec is replaced by sec. If it is odd multiples like 3 into 93, 1, 5 into 90 like that. Okay? And if ratio is even multiples of 90, then sine remain sine, cos remain cos, and tan remain tan. Does not change the ratios. Here first rule is 3 odd multiple. If odd multiple is there, sine will be replaced by cos. So it will be cos first of all. Here it gone, it remains. This is the main theta angle, 5 degree. So we will put here cos 5 degree. Okay? First rule is complete. Now ASTC rule comes. How? Sine 3 into 90. See, sine 1 into 90, 2 into 90, and 3 into 90 means up to this is already travels. Okay?
Okay.
Complete. Plus 5 means what? Here plus 5,
Yes.
and in this fourth quadrant sine is positive or negative?
Positive.
Fourth quadrant sine is
Negative.
negative, because in the fourth quadrant cos and sec is only positive and others are all negative. That means sine is negative. That's why according to this ratio, sine main ratio will determine its sine. Okay, not on this. Okay, so this is negative cos 5 means minus cos 5. Okay, because it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sine is negative, that's why negative. And this odd multiple, if odd multiple comes, then sine will be replaced by cos. Sine will be replaced by cos. Theta remains same. That is the method. Clear? And last one is, if we take cos, suppose 105. Okay? Cos 105. Cos 105 means cos 105 means 90 plus 15. Simply 90 means what? 1 into 90. 1 is odd, so cos will be replaced by sine. And 15 degree. Now see cos 90 here, 15 here, second quadrant it will lie. So in second quadrant cos is negative, so it is negative. Minus sine 15 degree. But if it will 2 into 90, like 2 into 90 plus 15 means 180 plus 15, then 195. Suppose if we plus 180 plus 15 or 2 into 90 plus 15, then we will get here even multiple comes, even multiple 2. Cos will remain same and 15 will be 15, but we have to see what is the sign. Cos 2 into 90, 1 into 90, 2 into 90 plus 15, third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is and cot is positive, others are negative, so minus cos 15. So this is the even multiple. Even. That's why it does not change. And it is odd. That's why sine is replaced by cos according to these two rules. So this is called ASTC rule. And we can, with the help of this rule, we can find out the ratios of any angles, even 195 degree also, even 275 degree also. Clear? So this is all about a short view on trigonometry.